You have this strange look in your eyes, these Polish guys.
Kubica!
Alright, and you're originally Iraq, Poland, just English, plain English. You know how it works? Yes, okay, so, yes, you've seen it. Okay, so go ahead. So I can spare my voice here. And afterwards I can get lost these guys. Right? So, especially for you that I do not explain to them how it works. Am I not the cool guy? Oh yes. There's a little bit of your cookie on the floor. It's no thing, I mean, it's her cookie, it's not mine. I thought you knew it! Okay, so Kubica, you know him, he's Polish. You're Polish too?
Yeah.
Dobry dziwka! Immigrated to England.
Dobry dziwka! Yeah, dobra.
Okay. Guys, are you ready? Yes, sir! It's yes, sir. Especially for him, he's going to do another tour. Guys, are you ready? Yes, sir! 3, 2, 1, let's go! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Solidarność, it's possible. Long time ago, what was his name again? The Polish president, long time, yes, for the Solidarność thing. Yeah, he was him. I remember that. Yes, I watch TV. Too much. Jean-Luc, c'est qui a gagné. C'est les deux ici. We happy as Poland and Iraq won, so you guys get, each of you guys gets the lanyard and the other ones gets the applause of being losers. Yeah! Yes, you, and then you were asking to come, yes, it's 2, it's 3, 1 more.